What's your major?
I'm a physics major.
Do you think you can answer 5 questions every physics major should know?
Sure, I'll try.
And what year are you?
I'm a PhD student, so I should know them.
Okay, PhD level physics. Okay.
I should know them.
Okay, we'll start off easy and get harder every question you get right.
Okay.
What is the unit of energy in the SI system?
Joules.
Good job, 1 for 1. What is the speed of light in a vacuum?
We equate it to 1, but now I forgot some 3 million kilometers per second or something like that.
Good job, 2 for 2. What is the difference between scalar and vector quantities?
Scalar is just a number, vector is something which also has a direction.
Let's get a little harder. Explain the concept of space-time in Einstein's theory of relativity.
So the concept of space-time is simple, that we need 4 coordinates to describe any event. 3 is back and forth, left and right, front and back, and time. And then the idea is that time is not separate from physical space dimensions, but depending on your velocity, you can also access the time dimensions, which is relative for different people, sort of.
Yeah, 4 for 4. Okay, let's get into a harder one. What is renormalization in quantum field theory, and why is it necessary?
Damn, hitting the hard questions. So renormalization is kind of needed because once in quantum field theory, you start with some form of equations, and in real world the point is that those are usually not the measurable quantities. So what you measure is different from what you start with. Therefore you need to remove these infinities that show up in your variables or your parameters, and that's why you need renormalization. So.
Good job, 5 for 5. How do you feel you did?
Good, bro. UCLA is #1 public college. That's what we are taught to do.
And what are you trying to get into with a PhD in physics?
That's a sad story. But I'm changing my field now. I'm not doing physics anymore after PhD. But yeah, I'll probably be doing some business related stuff.
Cool. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. Good job. Thank you.